Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I get this regularly. I got it today as a comment also. People don't understand or find it weird that Windows 11 still has the control panel. Yes, the control panel, the famous control panel that's been with Windows for such a long time, is part of Windows 11. And one of the reasons it is part of Windows 11 is that it's dreadfully difficult to move on all of the options into the settings app. I'm sure Microsoft probably would like this to happen and that, everything would be in the settings app and so on. But I would probably think that the control panel will be here and be here for a long time. And there's just too many things in the control panel. And, it's also another aspect of Windows. We, talk about how everything looks modern. Everything looks like it's, fresh and new. The start menu, the settings app, and, quick access and notifications and all sorts of things. So there's a side of the computer that looks very modern with Windows 11. But control panel is part of a side of the computer that hasn't been refreshed or redone since, Windows XP and even before. I mean, this is an exact control panel that I'm pretty sure if you look at Windows, even Windows 98, you'll probably see that a lot of the options here were there back then with, a few exceptions and a few changes. Even some of the icons are still the old icons from a long time ago. So it's something that not only would they have to move to settings, but they have to modernize the look and feel. Sometimes you think about this and you're wondering, shouldn't they have just modernized the look and feel of the control panel rather than do a separate settings app? Because, let's face it, there isn't any other operating system out there really that I know of that has settings in two different places. And that shows the legacy code of Windows 10. It shows how, and Windows 11, it shows how a lot of what's under the hood is still stuck with code that could be 10, 15 years old. And that changing that means breaking something. Don't forget that a lot of things work in Windows 11 and Windows 10 that are old, that people might need. And this has always been what Windows is all about. Backwards compatibility with older software and hardware. It's been what kept a lot of enterprise on Windows. But to do that, it also had the cost. And the cost was to keep old style technologies, old style menus, including the control panel. And if they do remove it, you risk breaking things. This is where Windows 10 X was something that we were wondering, would fix this, because that definitely would not have had and would not have included a control panel. It would have been really completely new code and completely new settings going in a new direction. But that being gone, that means that, we're still going to have, and I bet you if there's a Windows 12, we're going to have a control panel in Windows 12 also. They are moving settings to the settings app, slowly. And more of the settings that we need are in here. But control panel is here to stay and here to be part of Windows for a long time. And I think what they're focusing mostly is, let's bring the most popular settings in Windows settings and keep what people don't use much in a control panel. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.